अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम एफएससी बायोलॉजी पार्ट 1 के चैप्टर नंबर 2 बायोलॉजिकल मॉलिक्यूल्स की अहम ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को यहाँ पे डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द रिएक्शंस ऑफ सेल्स अकर्स इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर। Sugar in each nucleotide of DNA is deoxyribose sugar. All the chemical reactions taking place within a cell are collectively called as metabolism. Carbon and hydrogen bond is the potential source of chemical energy for cellular activities. Carbon combines with nitrogen in amino acid linkage to form peptide bond. The specific heat of vaporization of water is 574 kilocalories per kg. For the synthesis of 10 gram of glucose, 717.6 kilocalories of solar energy is used. Glycogen is also called as animal starch. The first microbe to have the genome completely sequenced is Haemophilus influenza. Haemophilus influenza is the first microbe to have the genome completely sequenced. In different organisms, water varies from 65 to 89%. Insulin has 51 amino acids which are arranged in two polypeptide chains, 21 and 30 amino acids. Amino acids are linked to each other by peptide bond. Most of monosaccharides form a ring structure when in solution. The most widely spread acylglycerol is triacylglycerol, also called as a triglycerides or neutral lipids. Waxes are widespread as protective coating on fruits and leaves. Phosphatidylcholine is one of the common phospholipids. The amount of DNA is fixed for a particular species as it depends upon the number of chromosomes. The types of amino acids which have been found to occur in cells and tissues are about 170. Human tissues have 85% water in brain cells. Carbohydrates which are sweet in taste are monosaccharides. Our blood normally contains glucose about 0.08%. Ribose will form a ring known as ribofuranose. Glucose will form a ring known as glucopyranose. The covalent bond between two monosaccharides is called glycosidic bond. Acylglycerols are composed of glycerol and fatty acids. In animals, the fatty acids are straight chain, while in plants these may be branched or ringed. Phospholipids are derivatives of phosphatidic acids which are composed of glycerol, fatty acids and phosphorus. Terpenoids are made up of a simple repeating units called isoprenoid unit. DNA is made up of deoxyribonucleotides. RNA is made up of ribonucleotides. Hydrogen bond between A and T means hydrogen bond between adenine and thymine are 2. Hydrogen bond between G and C means hydrogen bond between guanine and cytosine are 3. As compared of somatic cells, the amount of DNA in germ-line cells means in sperms and ova is almost half. Human tissue have 20% water in bone cells. Those reactions in which simpler substances are combined to form complex substances and need energy is called anabolic reaction. Energy is released by the breakdown of complex molecules into simpler ones. Such reactions are called as catabolic reactions. Due to its unique properties, the central position in the skeleton of life is composed by carbon. In glycosidic linkage, stability is provided to the complex carbohydrate molecules by association of carbon-oxygen. The number of calories required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade from 15 to 16 degrees centigrade is called specific heat capacity. The specific heat capacity of water is 1. Evaporation of only 2 milliliter out of 1 liter of water lowers the temperature of the remaining 998 milliliter by 1 degree centigrade. The word saccharoid, derived from Greek word saccharon, is used for carbohydrates. All carbon atoms in a monosaccharides except one have a hydroxyl group. In nature, monosaccharides found are with carbon atoms 3 to 7. In free state, glucose is present in all fruits, being abundant in grapes, figs and dates. Glucose and fructose are reducing sugar. Starches are of two types, amylose and amylopectin. Starches which have unbranched chains of glucose and are soluble in hot water are amylose. Starches which have branched chains and insoluble in hot or cold water are amylopectin. Starches give blue color with iodine. Glycogen is found abundantly in muscle and liver. Glycogen give which color with iodine? Glycogen give red color with iodine. In the herbivores, cellulose is digested because of microorganisms, means bacteria, yeast, protozoa secrete an enzymes called cellulase. Cellulose give which color with iodine? Cellulose give no color with iodine. Esters of fatty acids and alcohols are acyl glycerols. Solubility of fatty acids to organic solvents and their melting point increase with increasing number of carbon atoms. Melting point of palmitic acid is 63.1 degree centigrade. Melting point of butyric acid is -8 degree centigrade. Fats and oils have specific gravity of about 0.8. The mixture of long chain alkanes and alcohols, ketones and esters of long chain fatty acids are waxes. Nitrogenous bases such as choline, ethynylamine and serine are the important component of phospholipids. The isoprenoid units by condensation give rise to rubber, carotenoids and steroids. The most abundant organic compounds to be found in cells are proteins. Over 50% of the total dry weight of the cells are proteins. Proteins are polymers of amino acids. The number of amino acids in different proteins varies from a few to 3000 or more. Out of 170 amino acids, the constituents of proteins are about 25. Most of the proteins are made up of amino acids of 20 types. All amino acids have an amino group and a carboxylic group attached to the same carbon atom, also known as alpha carbon. Some proteins called antibodies defend the body against pathogens. The protein structure composed of the number and sequence of amino acids in a protein molecule is called primary structure. The first scientist who determined the sequence of amino acids in protein molecule was F. Sanger. The two chains of insulin are held together by disulfide bridge. The number of proteins in human body is over 10,000. In each turn of the helix, the alpha helix has 3.6 amino acids. By the folding back of the polypeptides, the structure formed is beta plated sheet. Usually a polypeptide chain of protein bends and folds upon itself, forming a globular shape called tertiary structure. The structure maintained by three types of bonds, namely ionic, hydrogen and disulfide, is tertiary structure. Hemoglobin, the oxygen carrying protein of red blood cells, exhibit quaternary structure. The protein consisting of molecules having one or more polypeptide chains in the form of fibrils are fibrous proteins. Secondary structure is most important in fibrous protein. Silk fiber, myosin, fibrin and keratin are examples of fibrous protein. The proteins which are spherical or ellipsoidal due to multiple folding of polypeptide chains are globular proteins. Tertiary structure is most important in globular proteins. Enzymes, antibodies, hormones and hemoglobin are examples of globular proteins. Nucleic acids were first isolated in 1870 by Frederick Miescher from the nucleus of pus cells. Nucleic acids are polymers of units called nucleotides. Pentose sugar in ribonucleotide is ribose sugar. Pentose sugar in deoxyribonucleotide is deoxyribose sugar. Purines are adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are cytosine, thymine and uracil. The compounds formed by a combination of a base and a pentose sugar is called nucleoside. A nucleoside and a phosphoric acid combines to form a Nucleotides. The important nucleotides used as an energy currency of the cell is ATP. The nucleotides unite with one another through a phosphodiester linkage in a specific sequence to form a long chain known as polynucleotide chain. In 1951, data about the ratio of different bases present in DNA molecule was provided by Erwin Chargaff. The technique of X-ray diffraction to determine the structure of DNA was used by Wilkins and Rosalind. The scale model of DNA was built by James Watson and Francis Crick. Two strands of DNA wound around each other so that there are 10 base pairs in each turn of about 34 angstrom. RNA is synthesized by DNA in a process known as transcription. All three types of RNA are synthesized from DNA in the nucleus. Messenger RNA takes the genetic message from the nucleus to the ribosomes. For a protein molecules of 1000 amino acids, messenger RNA will have the length of 3000 nucleotides. Of the total RNA in the cell, messenger RNA is about 3 to 4%. Of the cellular RNA, transfer RNA comprises about 20%. Of the total RNA, ribosomal RNA comprises about 80%. Transfer RNA molecules have a chain length of 75 to 90 nucleotides. Carbohydrates may combine with proteins to form glycoproteins. Carbohydrates may combine with lipids to form glycolipids. In nature, most of the cellular secretions are glycoproteins. The nucleotides play an important role in regulation of gene expression. Which is the most abundant carbohydrates in nature? Cellulose is the most abundant carbohydrates in nature. Animal obtain carbohydrates mainly from starch. Peptide bond is a carbon to nitrogen link, CN link. Glycogen is also called as animal starch. In quaternary structure of protein, the tertiary chains are aggregated and held together by hydrophobic interaction, hydrogen and ionic bond. Which conjugated compound is basic structural framework of all the types of membrane in the cell? Lipoproteins. Nucleic acids have specific affinity for basic proteins. Conjugated histone proteins are structural and regulatory in function. Monosaccharides, which are rare in nature and occurs in some bacteria, are tetrose. Thanks for watching, and for more MCQs please subscribe.